damn hoe.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Look at her face. It looks like she just orgasmed. Are you coming back on?
No.
Don't go through my giant hole.
What?
Come back here.
Oh, it's not working. Who am I kidding? That water wasn't so gross I'd jump in.
Ride that pony, ride it. Oh shit. The hole's not big enough. Come here. Oh, you bitch.
Now you're gonna know how I feel. Shit.
Come get me.
I could trust you with that.
Can you give it to me?
Don't give it